So tell us what's happening here. What's happening here?
We're just celebrating the death of Khamenei.
Look at that. Finally, tyranny is coming down and people are celebrating. They're happy. They love what's happening. USA, the President of the United States came to the rescue and is liberating Iranian people. Since 1979, they were subdued by terror, raping, killing, destroying, and now they're being set free. And they are celebrating with music, dances. Like giving cookies to people.
شای ماست بوز میدونی تو بزن باز میسازی خب اومد زن الان دوباره بینیم درست کنیم بازم میاد میزنه یکی بگه میخواد چیکار کنیم چیکار کنیم میخواد دونه دونتون رو چال کنیم سر قطرتون حال کنیم حال شدی ولی دونی نکشی که خار شدی زایده زیر بار بی تو زایده سردار و خونه مالیده 40 سال فقط دوست بگیده من خارتون رو
Canadian flags, American flags, Israeli flags. That's, friends, what freedom looks like. Make Iran great again. This is Friends Calgary, Alberta, Canada. People are celebrating the collapse of the regime that has been destroying them, their parents, their grandparents for decades. Freedom at last. This is what freedom looks like. People can express themselves in a free and civilized way. It's about time. People have been oppressed for decades and finally they're feeling this glimpse, this sliver of hope. Look at the joy. I remember that joy when Poland was liberated from the Soviets in 1989, when the Berlin Wall collapsed and Iron Curtain was broken, Poland was liberated. That's what we were doing, dancing and celebrating, and joy was everywhere.
چند تا شعارم بدین دوستان. مایل هستی چند تا شعار بریم دوستان. لطفا اگر کسی اینجا پزشک هست بیاد به قسمت استیج. ما به یک پزشک نیاز داریم. لطفا اگر پزشک هست به قسمت استیج بیاد. مرسی. هیدر هیدر خامنه‌ای پرپر. 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 خامنه‌ای سقط شد، ارزش بی پدر شد. 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 خامنه‌ای زهان کشیدیم زیر خاک. 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 بیت مسطح شده، هدیه به میهن شده. بیت مسطح شده، هدیه به ملت شده. بیت مسطح شده، هدیه به ملت شده. مرگ بر جمهوری اسلامی. مرگ بر جمهوری اسلامی. Genuine Islamic Republic. Genuine Islamic Republic. Genuine Islamic Republic. Alternative for Iran, keep the power. Alternative for Iran. 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 جمهوریت رسوله رهبر در نگون شد. جمهوریت رسوله رهبر در نگون شد. جمهوریت رسوله رهبر در نگون شد. خامنه‌ای کفن شد، وطن بازم وطن 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 شد. شاه بیاد به کشورش یه ایران پشت سرش. شاه میاد به کشورش یه ایران پشت سرش. شاه میاد به کشورش یه ایران پشت سرش. علیرضا اعرافی جانشین اول خامنه‌ای کشته شد. جانشین اول خامنه‌ای. USA! 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 بلایی که سر حزب‌الله لبنان آوردن کسی جرأت نکنه جانشینی چرا انجام بشه. هیچ جانشینی جمهوری اسلامی به زمانگان تاریخ خواهد رفت. به زودی به زمانگان تاریخ خواهد رفت. مطمئن باشید. ببین چه
چی دیگه سه دیگه الان تمام میکنم
There we go, friends. People are very excited, very happy about the liberation of their country. And you can tell, it's quite incredible the difference between the haters and those that just want to be free. You've got American flags, you've got the Canadian flags, you've got Iranian flags, you've got Jewish flags. People that are here, they understand what's really going on, and of course they want to be free, and they appreciate anyone that is willing to help them to achieve that freedom. So let them celebrate. It's a lot to celebrate. It's not over, far from it. The enemy will come back hard and will try to hurt them, but hey, how are you? But eventually freedom will prevail. Eventually, in the end of the day, justice will be done. So be blessed, stay strong, and see you next time. So far, peaceful, no craziness going on. The people celebrate without any incidents, and there's a lot of police here to keep the peace. So be blessed.